On the table here today, I have the Anafi AI on my right, and the Anafi USA and Anafi USA Gov on the left. Basically, for the Anafi AI, we built and designed this thing for inspection, mapping, construction, things of that nature. Anything on the enterprise side that you want to get high detail, very close up. So it's got a 6x zoom, 48 megapixel half-inch CMOS sensor that actually allows you to get 1 centimeter detail from a 75-meter standoff distance. Natively within the app, we have mapping capabilities, so we can do grid, double grid, and orbit, all without leaving FreeFlight 7. So it just allows easier flight planning, easier mission-capable projects, and allows the user to highly customize what's going on. So that's on FreeFlight 7. That's the Anafi AI. And then on my left, we have the Anafi USA. So this was basically built and designed for the Short Range Reconnaissance Program for the U.S. Army. That's how we got the stamp of approval for the DIU, made NDATA compliance. NDATA compliance is separate. We made it to be NDATA compliant, but we got that stamp of approval. We are one of the original 5s on that DIU blue list. So you have us, Skydio, Teal, Vantage. There was one other, maybe Fleer. I'm not sure. But yes, that was designed for the Tranche 1 program. So basically they came out with a list and said, meet these specifications for rapid deployment, short range reconnaissance. Just get it up in the air, connection time 55 seconds, two 21 megapixel cameras on board the aircraft. It allows for a 32 times zoom, and you can see a human-sized object from about 1.2 miles away. So the two sides of the table, one's inspection based, one's more public safety, DoD, things of that nature. So.